Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix the 7 deadly sins origin app crashing or crashes at a startup on Android phones. So without wasting time, here follow the resolutions. Now the first fix is to simply restart your device. So just restart your device, and after your device restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to clear the cache of the 7 deadly sins origin app. So tap and hold the app icon, then click on app info, then go to the storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then also tap on clear data. Now app data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. So if you agree on this, then tap on delete button to confirm it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to check for the 7 deadly sins origin app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for the 7 deadly sins origin, and then tap on it. And if you find any updates available for this app, then you can update it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to force stop or force close the 7 deadly sins origin app. So tap and hold the app icon, then click on app info, then tap on force stop and confirm it, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then allow the background activity for this app. So again tap and hold the app icon, then click on app info, go to the battery usage and check mark the first option, allow background activity, and then again click on allow button to confirm it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to make sure that your internet is working properly and it is stable. Now if you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check, and if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect different Wi-Fi or mobile data network via hotspot, and then you can launch the 7 deadly sins origin game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to connect to a VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for a VPN, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as Ninja VPN, Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Brave VPN, Octohide VPN, NordVPN, Express VPN. So download any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, and then launch the VPN app and select different location, and then you can go ahead, launch the 7 deadly sins origin game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the app. So again tap and hold the 7 deadly sins origin app icon, then click on uninstall, and then again click on uninstall to confirm it, and then just restart your device once. And after your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for the 7 deadly sins origin game, and then tap on it, and then click on install button to reinstall the game. And after the game get reinstalled, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then you have to check for the 7 deadly sins origin app server status. You can check the server status of this app through the official website or subreddit of the 7 deadly sins origin. You can also check the 7 deadly sins origin X web page, formerly known as Twitter. And if you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance, or having any kind of outage, then you have to wait for the server status to get back online, and then you can check. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to fix the 7 deadly sins origin app crashing or crashes startup on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.